How to add movable text to your Instagram stories within some seconds from your mobile device. For this, I will check that if I have updated my Instagram app or not. If not, I will simply update it. After updating, you have to open your Instagram in front of you and go to the story upload page while swipe on the left of the screen. As you can see, this is I'm visible here. What I have to do is click on this option, click on any photo from here. I will add this photo and then click on the screen to add any text. You can change the color from this menu. And now as you can see, this is the text I have added to my story, but this is still. How can I make it move? Firstly, I can move it like this. Second, if I want to add transaction or transition to it, I can add it. And now you can see the text is movable and working right now. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos and updates like this.